Hello people and welcome back to Caught on DashCam channel, a channel that features only the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam, from close calls to road rage and many more. All the clips shared in this video are strictly for educational purposes and hopefully you'll enjoy watching this one. Without any further ado, let's get this episode started. Someone collapsed and the medics were being called on the scene. The person that collapsed nearly lost his left eye during the fall. Thankfully, the meds arrived really fast and gave the necessary aid. Pay close attention at the left side of the camera. One driver is about to appear and he's going to make a really reckless move. Stay tuned for this one. Motel manager called the police on someone for stealing, and when the cops showed up on the scene, they managed to retrieve the stolen towels. Not only was this driver breaking the speed limit and swerving in between other vehicles, he was also passing cars on the shoulder on the road like it's a normal thing to do.
black all right, and thick and curly and long. The nurse loved to brush it, watching the curls roll up as the brush released them. And the patient's eyes, for all their listless stare, were a clear blue. Yet now and then a thin silver line of saliva fell down from the side of her mouth, making a dark circle on the bosom of her white nightgown. It's a wonder somebody hasn't tried to steal those things, he said half to himself.
It would appear that someone set a garbage can on fire, and the firefighters were being called over to handle the issue. It's really sad to see people still doing childish things like this, and too bad the fire department had to intervene because of a situation like this. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on DashCam channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw in today's video. Make sure to leave a like because it will really mean a lot to us. If you support this type of content, don't hesitate to subscribe as well and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and eyes wide open, people.